What if space isn't silent, but trying to speak to us? Recently, scientists detected something strange, a real sound from deep space. Not just noise, a chirp. Structured, rising, precise. These cosmic sounds might be the first message we've ever received from the universe. Today you're going to hear it and uncover what it could mean for science and maybe for humanity. For centuries, we believed the universe was silent. A vast cold vacuum, nothing but emptiness between the stars. But recently, that silence was broken. In 2023, a team of astrophysicists working with gravitational wave detectors picked up something extraordinary, a chirping sound. Not static, not random, a short, sharp burst, rising in pitch like a bird's call. They called it a cosmic chirp. And it wasn't just one. Similar patterns began showing up across different observatories, from the US to Europe to Japan. It wasn't a glitch. It wasn't a coincidence. It was real. And this is where it gets weird. No one knows exactly what's causing it. It didn't come from a star, a planet, or anything we've ever seen. Some signals came from regions of space that appear totally empty. This discovery didn't just raise questions. It challenged our understanding of the universe itself. Because if space is making sounds, what else have we been wrong about? In this video, we're going to break it all down. You'll discover how scientists first heard these sounds, what they actually sound like, and where in the universe they might be coming from. We'll explore the most compelling theories, from black hole collisions and dark matter to the boldest idea of all intelligent life. We'll also dive into how these waves are studied, what makes them so unique, and what they could mean for the future of space science. Because if the universe is speaking, we need to understand the language. It started with a sudden blip, a short, high-pitched wave picked up by the LIGO Observatory in the US. These weren't just ordinary space sounds. They matched the pattern of gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime caused by colossal cosmic events, like black hole mergers. But here's the twist. The source was from a region of space that appeared completely empty. No stars, no planets, nothing visible. Whatever made the sound was either hiding from us or something we don't yet understand. And that mystery was just the beginning. Imagine a bird's call, quick, rising, clean. Now imagine that echoing across the void of space. That's what these cosmic chirps sound like. Scientists converted the gravitational wave data into audio frequencies we can hear, and the result is chillingly beautiful. The sound is short, less than a second, but filled with eerie precision. It starts low and suddenly spikes upward, like something accelerating through spacetime. Some described it as a cosmic whistle. Others said it felt almost alive. And the most unnerving part? These chirps aren't identical. Each one has its own shape, rhythm, and pitch, like fingerprints. They aren't just random noises. They seem to have structure. And that's exactly what sent scientists down the rabbit hole of the next big question. Where are they coming from? Pinpointing the origin of these chirps wasn't easy. But with multiple observatories capturing the signals, scientists triangulated the direction. And what they found was strange. Some of the chirps came from deep within galaxy clusters, where black holes and neutron stars often collide. That fits the known science. But others? They originated from dark zones, vast areas of space with no visible stars, galaxies, or anything we can detect with current instruments. It's like hearing a sound from behind a locked door, with no way to see what's making it. The distances involved are staggering. Some signals traveled over 1 billion light years to reach us. And yet, their clarity and structure remain intact. So what kind of force could send a signal that far and that clean? The scientific community quickly began to speculate. What could create such a clean, chirping signal in the fabric of space? The most accepted theory is black hole mergers. When two massive black holes collide, they release gravitational waves with a chirp-like signature. Another possibility? Neutron star collisions, which also produce similar waveforms. But those explanations only cover some of the chirps, not all. Some came from regions too calm, too empty for such violent events. that led to more exotic ideas. Dark matter interactions, quantum anomalies, even the idea that unknown forms of cosmic intelligence could be broadcasting intentionally. While mainstream science leans toward natural causes, the strange consistency and placement of these signals leave room for bigger questions. And that brings us to the boldest question yet. Are these sounds just cosmic noise, or are they a signal? So, are these chirps just the aftershock of cosmic collisions? Or could they be something more deliberate? Some scientists noticed repeating patterns, not just in the sound, but in the timing and structure. That's where things get strange. Natural phenomena are often chaotic, but these chirps, they were oddly consistent. This led to a provocative theory. What if we're hearing a signal? Not a message in language, but something simpler, a beacon, repeating through time and space. Organizations like SETI have begun analyzing the signals for repetition, modulation, and non-random elements, the same way we'd study a radio transmission. So far, the results are inconclusive. But the possibility remains. If someone or something out there is trying to say hello, this might be how they do it. To decode these mysterious chirps, scientists turn to the most sensitive instruments on Earth and beyond. Gravitational wave detectors like LIGO and Virgo first spotted the waves, but deeper analysis came from pulsar timing arrays, massive networks tracking the timing of neutron stars spinning like cosmic clocks. Even small delays in these pulses can reveal ripples in spacetime. That's how precise this science is. Then came AI algorithms trained to sift through mountains of cosmic noise, looking for repeated patterns, harmonics, and structure. Teams from NASA, MIT, and the European Space Agency are now collaborating, using data from multiple sources to cross-check every chirp. It's like piecing together a message from a jigsaw puzzle scattered across galaxies. And every new signal brings us closer to the truth. If these chirps are more than just noise, if they truly carry meaning, we could be on the verge of a discovery that reshapes everything we know. Our understanding of the universe is built on the idea that it's mostly silent and indifferent. But these sounds suggest something different, a universe that's dynamic, pulsing with unseen forces, maybe even signals. It could mean there's new physics waiting to be uncovered, forces or particles we haven't imagined. Or it could be our first hint of life beyond Earth. Even if it turns out to be natural, it's still monumental. It means space isn't just distant, it's alive with motion, sound, and secrets. And for the first time, we're listening. Really listening. Think about it. For most of human history, we believed we were alone in a silent, empty universe. Now, with just the right instruments and a little curiosity, we're beginning to hear something. That alone is powerful, because it proves one thing: there's still so much we don't know. These chirping waves remind us that the universe is alive, moving, speaking, and evolving in ways we've only just begun to understand. And maybe that's the greatest part. Every chirp is a reminder that the cosmos still holds mysteries. That wonder isn't gone, it's growing. And it's not just up to scientists and labs, it's up to all of us to stay curious, to ask the big questions, and to never stop listening. Because knowledge isn't just power, it's protection, it's purpose, and it's the spark that keeps our species moving forward. So keep looking up. The universe is talking. And you're finally hearing it. If this kind of content sparks your imagination, if you love exploring the unknown and asking the big what-ifs, then you're in the right place. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next journey into the mysteries of space. And we want to hear from you. What do you think these cosmic chirps really are? Drop your theory in the comments. The best ones might be featured in an upcoming video. Let's explore the universe together. The universe is vast, too vast to fully understand. But every strange signal, every ripple in space, is a whisper from the cosmos inviting us to wonder. Maybe the chirps we've heard are just the beginning, a prelude to something greater. Because out there, beyond what we can see or touch, something is happening. And we have the rare chance to listen. So stay curious, stay open, Because the journey to understand the universe has only just begun.